Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of space technology news is Thales Alenia Space opens cutting-edge space smart factory in Rome, backed by Italian space agency. Thales Alenia Space has officially opened its new space smart factory in Rome, a major milestone covered by Aviation Week, and described as one of Europe's most advanced digital and reconfigurable satellite manufacturing facilities. Located in the Tecnopolo Tiburtino high-tech hub, the €100 million site combines public and private investment, with significant funding from Italy's National Recovery and Resilience Plan, PNRR, managed by the Italian Space Agency, alongside contributions from Thales and Leonardo. Italian President Sergio Mattarella attended the inauguration, joined by Minister for Enterprises and Made in Italy Adolfo Urso, and senior representatives from Thales, Leonardo, and the Italian Space Agency. The facility will begin operations by year-end with the integration of the Sikrel 3 satellite for the Italian Ministry of Defense, and aims to support next-generation constellations including Copernicus, Rose-L, and CIMR, and second-generation Galileo satellites. Today, Italy soars even higher. With the inauguration of this new Space Smart Factory, we are taking another strategic step to strengthen the national space supply chain and consolidate Italy's leadership by enhancing our capacity to design and integrate next-generation satellites, said Adolfo Urso, Minister for Enterprises and Made in Italy. This project also stands as a concrete example of effective collaboration between the public and private sectors, and of the virtuous use of PNRR, Italy's National Recovery and Resilience Plan funds. Italy knows how to invest with strategic vision in key sectors, generating growth and qualified employment. We are at the forefront of strengthening our technological sovereignty and projecting our industrial system into the future, he added. Teodoro Valente, president of the Italian Space Agency, said, "The inauguration of this state-of-the-art facility crowns years of intense efforts by Italian Space Agency and completes the network of facilities operating throughout the country for the assembly, integration, and testing of satellite." He continued, "The Space Factory program also represents a virtuous example of public-private collaboration for the benefit of the entire national ecosystem, having effectively used the resources of the PNRR, Italy's National Recovery and Resilience Plan, to permanently endow the country with a strategic asset. Thanks to the functionality and production capacity of this plant, Italy stands as a reference point for the realization of large satellite infrastructures in the field of Earth observation, telecommunications, and navigation. Designed for flexibility and high-volume output, the facility integrates digital continuity across all systems from engineering to production and features modular cleanrooms and robotics for a fully automated and smart manufacturing environment. It will be capable of producing more than 100 satellites annually, ranging up to 300 kilograms, and is intended to scale in line with market demands. I'm especially proud to inaugurate this new state-of-the-art facility designed to rank among the world's most advanced for space system production, said Hervé Derry, president and CEO of Thales Alenia Space. Leveraging the latest technologies, the Space Smart Factory will enhance Thales Alenia Space's production capacity and its global competitiveness as a leading player in Europe's space industry. In that sense, our company will even more support European and national sovereign programs, as well as the continent's major space ambitions, including in large constellations. Massimo Claudio Comparini, managing director of Leonardo's Space Division and chairman of the Thales Alenia Space Supervisory Board, said, "The new space factory, an investment that looks to the future and is the result of the vision of the Italian Space Agency, institutions, and the company, is a benchmark for production paradigms of the European space industry." He added, "It is a smart factory that can be reconfigured to produce all types of satellites and constellations using the principle of serialization of activities. The site is capable of producing over 100 satellites a year in the class, up to 300 kilograms, in an environment integrated with the most advanced digital, robotic, and interconnection technologies, with the ecosystem of suppliers and partners, a fundamental asset for the growth of the space economy. This is a further stimulus for the growth of space activities in Italy and Europe." Giampiero Di Paolo, deputy CEO and CEO of Thales Alenia Space Italia, stated today with deep pride and in the presence of Italy's highest institutional authority. We inaugurated our Space Smart Factory, a modern and fully digital facility, and a true technological jewel. He continued at our Satellite Integration Center in Rome operating at full capacity. Our teams have been building some of the world's most prestigious Earth observation, telecommunications and navigation satellites, establishing the facility as a global benchmark in satellite manufacturing. Building on this legacy, the new Space Smart Factory will serve as an additional production hub, able to meet the growing demand for future constellations while reducing time to market and marking a real paradigm shift in space asset manufacturing. This new infrastructure will also be open to the entire supply chain, including small and medium-sized enterprises, which will be able to access it as a service, a winning formula that will strengthen our country's role in the space economy. As part of a wider network of interconnected Italian space factories, the new Rome-based facility includes the Space Joint Lab, which fosters collaboration with SMEs, startups, universities, and research centers. Designed to drive innovation and skill development, the lab works with academic institutions including Politecnico di Milano and the University of Rome La Sapienza, and with partners such as Accenture. The building adheres to sustainable design principles, is LEED certified, and incorporates solar power and rainwater recovery systems. With an installed capacity of 4.5 MW megawatt or medium wave and a 24/7 operational guarantee, it aims to become a cornerstone in the advancement of Italy and Europe's space manufacturing capabilities. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.